The previous drone policy of the government was quite restrictive and limited the speed at which drone startups can function. Permissions and approvals used to be delayed, causing projects to be stalled across the country. And in my humble opinion, a restrictive policy was one of the major reasons why the drone ecosystem hasn't attracted global venture capitalist funds from investing into Indian startups like they have into Zomato, Swiggy, Flipkart, Ola, and Byju's. However, this new drone policy 2021 will encourage leading aviation giants, manufacturers like Airbus, Boeing, and Lockheed Martin to collaborate with the Indian drone industry and forge OEM partnerships. Since March of 2020, we have observed large-scale adoption of drone technology, especially during the COVID pandemic situation by several government bodies. Garuda Aerospace has supported several PSUs like SAIL, NTPC, BPCL, ONGC to introduce drones in their plants for applications such as volumetric analysis, structural damage assessment, and routine inspections. I'm certain that drones will play a very vital role in monitoring the new 6 lakh crore National Asset Monetization Plan, which was unveiled by the Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ma'am a few days ago. Today, despite being home to over 6 lakh drones, we don't even have 60 indigenous drone manufacturing companies. My only suggestion would be for policymakers to roll out a plan that is decentralized for firms to acquire permissions and shift the onus of attaining permissions under the Ministry of Home Affairs and the local police. This will genuinely lighten the load of the DGCA and MOCA, who will find it difficult to track and monitor these drones from a centralized system. With the largest skilled youth population in the world and the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, we have the potential to become the drone capital of the world, provided we nurture and guide this drone industry to fulfill its untapped potential.